Sisi anje sizohamba nje ziningi into zasimukela njengoba nama-ID amuka kwamakhadi ngasemaklinikhi amuka ngoba namaphilisi amuka so nje simukelwe kade sithi sothola usizo nangobhuti esifika izolo esekhetha abantu kazi sithi sosizakala lapho.
Nina kanikhethanga kanjani kuthiwe kwenze njani?
So kutholakala ukuthi uma u-ID ngehambe nengane nabantu abaningi so kunodadewethu osayohambile uma echaza ukuthi singane zakhe uthi akwenzeki lokho la abanye baphinde emuva athi ku-ID asiphinde emuva-ke samsogada umqasho.
Inzima leyo mama, kodwa nisahleli futhi la bekufike nabantu akade bekhala ngokuthi nihleli la?
Yes, nje begcina izolo ingwami nade ngisalinde usisi lo nje sebuyileke sizozama ukulungisa-ke masihamba.
Sabonga kakhulu sisi. Well, briefly, there, Michelle, what she's explaining to us is that she lost most of her documentation. She was kind of helping that some of the officials that were here would be able to help them. However, she's been told that because she was living with her sister, she's not her sister's child, and as a result, she cannot be a sort of a dependent to her sister. So they're asking her to then go elsewhere to go look and perhaps find her own place, and that's what she's explaining to us. So they're saying that her sister potentially had an RDP house. They're going to try and go look there, and at the same time, she's preparing to then leave with nothing, even though she's lost so much from these floods. And at the same time, you're hearing from the lady also who came here, also from work, and she found some of the people that we're asking them how they ended up at the hole. But she's saying that after the conversations they had, they managed to make them understand why they ended up in this hole. This is basically where they are currently held. We understand that Gift of the Givers had come also to provide food as much as the government has been able to also assist with food.